In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer on Google Slides. This is a straightforward process and you won't need more than 5 minutes to complete it. So let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by heading over to Google Slides. You can access this by simply typing Google Slides into your web browser and clicking on the appropriate link or directly entering the URL into the address bar. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, the next step is to sign into your Google account if you haven't done so already. Just click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page and enter your credentials to access your account. Now that you're signed in, you're on the Google Slides home screen. Here you'll see various templates and previous presentations you might have worked on. If you haven't started a new presentation yet, or if you're planning to make these edits on an existing file, you have two choices. You can either click on blank presentation to start fresh, or select a template that suits your needs. If you're working with an existing presentation, just open that file directly. With your presentation open, navigate your mouse to the top menu and click on Slide. A drop-down menu will appear showing various options related to slide manipulation. From this menu, locate and click on Edit Theme. This step is crucial because it allows you to make changes that affect the entire presentation, including the footer rather than individual slides. Once you're in the theme editor, you'll see a variety of slides on the left-hand side. These represent the template slides that format your entire presentation. Select the slide you want to modify. Down at the bottom of the slide layout, you'll see placeholder text that may say something like footer, depending on the template you're using. Click directly on this text box and start typing your custom text. This could be anything from a company motto, a date, a title, or speaker notes. Editing in the theme section of Google Slides ensures that every slide in your presentation reflects these changes, maintaining uniformity and saving you the time it would have taken to update each slide individually. After making the desired edits, remember to click the X in the theme editor window to go back to your main presentation. Your changes will be saved automatically. And that's it, you've successfully edited the footer for your Google Slides presentation. Whether you're preparing for a corporate meeting, a school project, or a personal presentation, having a consistent footer is a simple yet effective way to add a professional touch to your slides. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.